Hi everybody, in this guide I'll be showing you the procedure on how to secure your BeReal account. To secure your BeReal account, you could do the steps, that is limit the visibility of your post and restrict your app's access to your location and contact and decline optional data sharing as well. So to do this, you need to open a BeReal application and log in. So BeReal is a private by default, but you could choose to make post public on a discovery timeline as well. To keep your post private, you could avoid selecting the public post or public option when posting. So this actually depends, or this actually happens in the posting duration. So when you're posting, you want to make sure that you keep it private. And you could also change the audience of a post after it has been posted as well. Next, only accept friend requests from people you know and trust as this controls who can see your post as well. Other than that, you could also go to phone settings and open BeReal, or you could do is long press the BeReal app, click on the app info icon, and right on this page, you want to make sure to click on location, or you just need to go to the location section. Or what you would do is actually open up settings itself and go to location from the list. Here it is. Make sure to open up BeReal and then disable the location as well. That can also help you out. And additional steps, that is avoid sharing optional data. You have to be cautious with your location and beware of your scam as well. And consider deleting the app if you need a break from a BeReal as well. So that's how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.